Hi guys, this is Nikib. I'm a freshman at college. Um, I've been fascinated so much by the word global warming. I really like the concept global warming. Global warming means the increasing temperature of the earth. So here I found some research I'm doing since my junior year. I'm really interested in this topic. And I really want to share with you what I know about global warming, what I have been researched. So global warming is actually caused two factors. One is the greenhouse effect and the another one is the ozone layer. Now the greenhouse and the ozone layer, they are both totally interrelated. And in my opinion, that if we have greenhouse emissions, mean we will have the problem same with the ozone layer. They are totally interdependent on each other. In how ozone layers is affected by greenhouse emissions. Greenhouse emission is basically the releasing of carbon dioxide from factories and all those resources which use natural gases, coal, etc. etc. I won't go in depth with the how carbon dioxide, it's a general phenomena, mean anything can produce carbon dioxide, carbon like methane gas which we use every day. Now what this carbon dioxide do, which is it's a big deal. Carbon dioxide, carbon, you know it's the basic thing is about being the word of carbon dioxide. It's a great thing. It's the, we should not say that we should totally get rid of carbon dioxide. No, carbon dioxide is the main source for trees to breathe. And so now we will come on the topic of carbon dioxide effects on the ozone layer. Think ozone layer is a layer on the earth above earth hemisphere which blocking the ultraviolet rays from sun. When the sun strike on that ozone layer, the rays goes towards the earth. In the earth, mostly rays are absorbed by plants, oceans, and soil. So what happened to the rest of rays which are coming in excess? They try to reflect back from the earth's surface, coming and reflected back. What happened here is that the carbon dioxide on the ozone layer is blocking those rays. Why? The great reason is that as the rays come from the sun, the rays are faster and sharp. But as it hit the earth's surface, it reflects back, but it's not with that intensity that it makes to get rid of that, to go out in atmosphere. So they stuck in the ozone layer, which is earth hemisphere. But those rays will not sit commonly and observe in some places. They have to take reaction. Take it as an action and reaction. Ozone layer is taking action to blocking those rays. What rays are doing is try to act as an action. So they are trying to make a way to go away from the earth hemisphere. As the ozone layer is thicker, which means there is no way that they can get out from that ozone layer because the rays are weak. They don't have that much intensity in there. So now what's happening? These greenhouse emission, these greenhouse gases act as a guard, which we created those guards around our hemisphere. We are the responsible. to put those guards on our hemisphere. So what they do, that they are blocking those rays, and those rays are trying to go away from the earth. Now they have to do, earth is limited source, mean there is specific stuff can stay in the earth, mean two axis rays can't live in the earth. So what it's doing is it's getting together, making the earth warmer. It's rays, it's some rays, it's obviously it has heat in there. So in it's try to go to the cold areas, because there is less heat there. So they are trying to adjust in those places. But the ozone layer and the cold places is cold. When the sun rays go there and hit it, they make depletion in ozone layer, a hole in ozone layer. According to new scientific research, that there has been a hole in Arctic Ocean, a huge hole of ozone layer. So if the ozone layer depleted, which mean, well, make a hole in it, the sun which was shining on the Arctic Ocean or wherever the hole is will make the earth, will bring all type of those rays inside the earth. Mean they will have ultraviolet rays, which is very harmful for most of human. It can cause thousands of diseases. All the diseases we see, new diseases are arriving. It's because of the bacteria. Because bacteria and virus can live more and more, can generate itself in warmer area. Ozone layer is then try to thinning itself on those area with its heat, because the rays are taking the ozone layer off. So what happens? That the earth is becoming warmer. Carbon dioxide stays in earth atmosphere, make those rays block. Who are responsible? Question comes here, who is really responsible for that blocking of rays and depletion in ozone layer? According to scientific research, more than 80% scientists believe that humans are the main cause of greenhouse gas emissions and the depletion of ozone layer, which I am totally agree with them. I personally believe we human, we created it. Who created factories? We did it. So what factories doing is try to burn oil, electricity. Electricity is produced from oil, most of, about 90% electricity is built from oil, gas and coal. So when the coal, oil and gas are burning, it throwing its air in the atmosphere. So they have to go somewhere. They go to the ozone layer with its making a layer, huge layer on the ozone layer. Think about this, that we are human and ozone layer is a nature. We have human power where it just take that in consideration. Human power is the emission of gas. What Mother Nature want is ozone layer. So it fighting with ozone layer. These gases are fighting with ozone layer. Sun is fighting with these gases. Obviously sun will win because it's a Mother Nature. You can't fight with nature. So nature have to exist. So this nature can take, if this nature wins, the nature wins mean the depletion of ozone layer. Imagine what will happen to this earth. I will end it up my topic with just this simple questions. We have the power to think. God gave us a brain, a power to think. So now we should think and take action. to stop this whole fighting of nature versus nurture. Thank you very much.